I'm trying to come up with a master plan to get this bike to the gas station. Okay, so the map in the bike right now is for 93 pump gas. I still have E85 in the tank. E85 requires a lot more fuel than 93. So right now, I'm trying to get the bike to the gas station to fill it back up with pump 93, but that's a struggle because there's not enough gas in for the bike to stay started. Let me demonstrate. So right now the bike is like, what the hell is going on? I ain't got enough gas, and then it's just gonna cut off. See what I mean? I'm gonna try it anyway. Up. Something in the tank. Oh. Oh no. I'm just gonna ride this baby home. So I guess the safer route was to just push it back, let it go back home. Excuse me. Sorry, man. I'm over here pushing people out the way. Go a bump, it's gonna slow down my momentum. This is not fun at all. So I came up with the conclusion to just go ahead and get my other bike and just take a bottle up to the gas station to fill it up, because I barely made it to where I made it, and I don't want to have to push it, because it's not fun pushing 450-pound bike. And this is what we got for our transportation. Alright, here we go, ladies and gents. Oh yeah, look at that good old 93 right there. Now all I gotta do is put the cap back on, put it back in the refrigerator, and we're good to go. No, I was totally kidding, don't do that. How much was that? That was, oh, that was 0.3? That's 0.3? Hopefully that's enough to at least help. And just enough to make it to where the ethanol won't be such a high concentration, and then that should help the bike move a little better. I had to just pull up the I had to just pull the R1 over in the closest place I can get it. I got tired of pushing it, so yep, get me where I need to go. Tasty. I honestly don't think this will be enough to I'm probably have to go get some more. So I was only able to put about 0.3 gallons inside of that bottle, which I don't think is going to be enough to offset that ethanol, which I kind of predicted it wouldn't. Somebody see me putting this in here probably think I see what he's doing. I'm not going to try to pass this off as lemonade. Alright, 0.4 that time. But like seriously though, look at that. I mean, you really could like trick somebody into that being lemonade. No, I'm not giving nobody no bright ideas, so don't go out and do that. Cause if I find out that somebody did go do it, I'm gonna have to come find you and you up. No, I'm just kidding, I'm a nice guy. Fresh lemonade. Remember what I said though. Shake it up. Get it nice and blended with that E85. See how it idles now. You can tell it's a little better, but it ain't. It's still quite there. Alright, I'm gonna do it one more time. My third time coming to the lemonade stand. Hopefully this is enough for it to balance out the E85, and then I can make it to the gas station where I can just go ahead and top it all the way off, and it'll be good then. It's just right now it's still too much E85 in it. Okay, so my balance meter was correct. So I put 1.2 gallons in here, which was 3 trips to fill up my little lemonade container, and it gathered enough to where the bike got enough fuel to where it can keep going now. So I got the bike back on pretty much 95% pump 93 now. So now I just gotta go back, drop this off, then go get my R1. I'm at my R6, and then take them back home. It should be good.